Hello, is fáilte go hiic na seanslaí mas maiileh seansa ghlacu ghlachiad na seanslaí is mise Hugh McGillicada agus mar a deartar a seanachil si an Nollag si an fecin Nollag Táfad seo anlua mágin agus ní galandíh níró na birteile ag Christmas parties. This is just Tursa, sin an rud amháin atáthú. Níl pátearthú, I don't think so. Béle bheitceil, Tá an tear dúspáir an seo le mo chud cólaachí lemuid cairde ar dúspáir an seo le aine bhuiir aine, go dtí mar taithe tú.
I resent gur tú go tú fiú ag sort luag joclin a bheith go bheith go jocla timpáte a bheith ar seaachtain an Nollag sin bhlisig a handanna faoi an teachtain ibre dearna sin na Nollag sé just chaotic. For me dós an séar seafóide cumáid an teachtain seo, so hí soáilú na mami agus daddy agus Jennirt an op dhéanú san baba Jenna go leor cupán dú agus a tuir dear dú, so seaachtain ionta graithe agus ra bhfuil barchaí máidjin gomáid, so leis grista.
Yeah. Móhainn se chasta go just in tafad rít na hiúris like go kind yeah, but chaotic is definitely in focal don seachtain agus a can't be chaotic to an seo fásta le James ó Fáilte. James, timar taithe.
Yeah, tuir seo. Tá maid seo cósaí dó le pluid na Nollag agus mochas Birkenstocks. And I actually think tá mochas Birkenstocks héis intuisteach ó mós persantacht in séir Nollag seo. Tá mai iad a chaha sin má leim. Tá mai iad a chaha chula lá cuma cin áit má fá ridiculed ach is a look an anam an dia fash hon tá mai iad nach ó. So, yeah. Sin fá.
Hulu is a canyon thing in the Birkenstocks though. It's like Sinead ish percentacht acu is goes the caú in the rest. Yeah. Listen, is Birker is sin and focal anger faded at the cur.
Just the Instagram username at Hrunish.
Yeah. Just Birker with the hall, please.
On Birkertach.
On Birkertach. Agus like I mean to an to caid hartar carua like and will agus and will na dingy oscailte Thig and I was going to say yeah absolutely.
Ní éidir oscailte gomchas clogs. You know, it's like it's chuma ag obair agus like it's like really cool because it's not like slide a heart in there to a tiles. You know, it's really good ass. It's just great. Ach, chin, funny that journey this because like we earning gormach as we earning obrian TV mo gon ober we earning an sign Nollag honna across suas. You were like okay to call them madam we are mriach the machi guard were like ik kan maar zeggen was raw clogs dat gar arm trainers maar vier real suits at a roof gewoon operating die were like niemand daar mocht klagen wielen, you know, all the name of Nollag Connor but like she Nollag like but not gonna mean them with Burks, you know.
Na co gran mar like na hinsta TG ka haar dern si goni, you know, in duna Brendan si shot she doubles the rudder be hienu. You know, tá si dáilta bheith ag go bar cool an desk as chuin camera like rud a bhí clearly tá cuairí chu an airde ar an jean cumáid.
Yeah.
Spéirta déanú the clogs. Ní cuidim go tú a chaithú ag an number though.
No, bíon. Yeah.
Leis na skinny jeans like.
Well, ní mo jeans with skinny sin. Tá skinny am, but you know.
She don't too skinny alta.
Skinny alta.
No, where mochas cosach motion.
No, because
no James.
No. Ní an casca this and then you're like Shaw and lad listen the casa is more so don't Neil ein breisty your fair fetal and farshar Harvey.
Massa clean the skinny jeans, right? Nah, they're current lads. 100 girl low is das na pokey as iad the dolomat an ihe. So bín just bín siad go lollipops, so bín like an sparan ar héháin agus den cé fá go mínar like je ocracha bheith goibh cumáid agus an sin bín an phone like bín se có solir an an glachan siad na picture mar sin agus an the bulges seo chat an dáú de na cosa.
And you must fair let's start with Gurker bulges lads, which in really jazz. Just must fair let's start that shiny which in really jazz. But that's just country Harry listen to Ahraha because I feel like just Tarly and Shah har you just accumulate Ahraha hey really random agus to so it's like the hach chuig I can't relate but like the car then just like
chunky.
Oh yeah, and can just in block more sin at the pocket. So I think just guitarly and child like astery that we accumulate like I don't know like lock boxes with mission and Tamerfod. Tarly and child like you know. From just waiting do fast the read James Catch free slide all heart or Lord TG car agus you know to much charts was you know ag an Nollag so been bringing logic dingy go ag an Nollag agus dingy te seal like you know been bringing la Jacku le bheith ag gobbers the man in Gaelic and I'm just meet you Dory kids you two like get the book over I was get the book out you two could be ag slow new heart or Lord TG car
you know like be slow that heart and ular agus slow no staach DMs
Tá poster fógra
Caiite bhéin an sláneiste an DMs agus ar leor sin de bín bé track acu don cead agla bheile agus bhís feicil céit an anyway chu fuide is ar féidir.
Is James a bheith genú a bheith I rachtal sin agus it just around like let me show you how it's done.
Change your TV wang and fergin if you TV without ever agus they just kill a wobble al heart.
Oh, má wadú na gúiseat?
Well, Majin wife madu.
Majin wine Ellie.
James come across cash darts actually should cash down tower because so the shot gent ogumse agus my father go na lads ala gen na shot the Christmas cut a wish a gent good go fall.
Oh, you see, Thomas is really Thomas is brutal like so small lumsa mo gruaige bearradh da bhfuil na gruaige bearradh lá gan dáid gilling like it's bradum bear gruaige it's faoi sivatán it's just tá sé chud as so for my can tas cata na gur coach an Nollag agus gur an ich forgang like by the way I'm absolutely sick and toll I think nach go get all go Nollag so by sin on Áine se cata agus nis sé an Áine seo an fi darna lá so be me like I get can eile an seo ich an Nollag and then basic can eile le ich him réna so
Can an sheachtain?
yeah leling the Nollag like
Nach jola déis mór é dhéanú mat tá fáil barú gruaige go minic sin.
no I think
Broner.
What? I was gonna say nah but changing them white list like the sheep shearers fish trail
yeah
come on scratchy come on got you
that's a professional amateur come on slick back sides tight skin tight like Svenan just on fresh feeling bad you know
A tá sin ionta nóisinaí like a maid sin gar gruaige.
will go
Yeah. Like céim aige dul tú caiúir ar sin thar na Nollag.
oh like
60 euro.
chuige
Why, because I had a good scholarship.
to be honest probably nach to the vehicle nach bach tap up so
you know da in the coffee shops shouldn't James le Barry Greg
Loyalty card.
yeah
V loyalty cards like the very good actually is we might actually the all see that got to like yeah
oh
you may be
my
mal
god
we can't actually then Barber
built the ye arts it
Yeah. I like just want to make okadi because I get it in rin Nollag, so it's just got to be brand new fresh. You know, chinna me anger into my caveman, so it's okay. You know,
Like Yeti.
yeah, it's all good. Which I thought that's for you. Thought
Oh yeah, gotcha. Okay.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
That's such enter fad. I think sin rud becarting el that James Don Nollag Áine is like a home hairdressing kit. Like is like wrong and easy
Oh,
to it. So like
then because we've got
maybe
a because we've got hire all personal barbers, and we're like, oh god, you guys.
James.
Voucher.
I think just guy he much just like an razor horta agus then to literally wiki how and Shaw a gurker how to make a fade, how to give yourself a fade. I think Holusvich and Ogutsa, you would say and made arrogant of his Ogutsa would be unbelievable. But to not go to
Yeah,
Vegas, listen made arrogant to sell it agus God just a genuine to hate.
yeah, but it's not the same. You know, that's an chorus in the bad barber. I just got to like, you know, it's not therapy on go like a barber, but to just cancel up, but to like, oh, it's a into while you're making me look pretty, you know.
Hopefully, just don't like therapy, no.
But they're
A
not making
haircut
me
way cheaper.
yeah.
Haircut way cheaper.
I guess they're not making me look pretty, so
Yeah,
you know.
the opposite
But
in fact.
an barber in James I get like that she'd into bougie like or trying to like glyn whiskey is too station.
When you
Oh no,
whiskey.
Shin the king means like okay, so Shin I can't assembly in a Nollag, but it can like ich kin blenda would be just another barber shop because like I'm not Nima go like mate argil ha gachur, you know. I pick and choose the bougie barber cuts. I guess the you know save a few barber cuts. So Shinachai on that.
It's just for the special occasions.
Yeah, so go home like bougie,
Hmm.
sear, bougie, sear. Bougie they gods, sear for just the top ups. Yeah.
Bougie seer vision of dive of ralum genu dates ladini and be bougie seer. Bougie.
She's not falling knocking up from my hand because Hugh third dates.
Yay! You set the
Arís,
expectations.
Can I just stress ná ghlach le cord le James agus hiú faoi all amach na daoine.
Name one flaw of you. So actually, please not Jen.
Like them on list.
Well,
no, wait, hold on, wait,
Second one.
no. That though, ain't do lot though. Jeremy like and Cora being a barber for Mister Ma. Go well and dingy balash and like and hairdressers a shame. To shashning dull hig WrestleMania fasta. Agus too much done those was like Penty much in Philadelphia and me Brad.
Stop.
I'm telling you, listen, too much eat that cool.
Tá five agad.
Five of them much Greek and the five of them
Five agad na WrestleMania.
I can't wait, man. Fish are unbelievable.
I know you can't.
I mean, dog ratchet. Tomorrow red living ish. Either an cad lad me brand, agus an octo lad me brand. Mono wish of a Gary Facal like Nikita Fishan like Instagram scale free resting. Just block me in sheachtain. Like that's like fire rail and sheachtain and because literally that'll be the only thing in my country and tamer fad.
Well, at least tá Hugh I go WrestleMania agus feiciil barber leis agus níhar se coft le again le coffin season an Nollag, you know?
I've broken the chain. If you actually can't
bro do lasted.
You actually can't be sure rare like in the much courage. It was like Brishma and pattern and there and then being blian like oh so nive ain crack like you know nive ain because I'm literally just vibing in ish like Neil ain whether you're in the carty I'm just like having a good time, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Wat sin grad it sin dún faoi ihewar a bhí in arís na gael le Janie Nero and Josh James agus na héana bheith an sin.
sorry in club con in the Gaelic you mean?
Oh my god. Si go
Cardinal sin.
Oh my god.
The cardinal sin.
Pacu sin now.
Yeah.
An barónar. Well, bhí brela ag ro sin gailbheith cards an phodchraoladh.
Bhí
Duna lig faoiníthe mór crackáilte mar bhí cum crackáilte ar Instagram.
So and dóhain go choirimar is gur dag so chuimiis isteach go tín cethir I was vibing away fi ma I caiú gansi pella in much like tracksuit bottoms like caiú like gans like just kind of grey gansi whatever agus hánig ma gro should I got a shot higgin car done breitla and I was like oh do you know what sure Rahama shot like get a bug to miss genu show mar though fi ma genu gailgar and Sarah I was like Rahama shot or for a couple of hours and then chuck him on the wallet hard cut go jean quiggle hugger margin in Arisan in shocked in active station of liberties agus mis musculte go fáil an goma an caiime dul hallú or like talú good shocked in seo and that's the wallet I was like oh this keeps happening ní tarlíonn sé chuige go bhain tú ag an conrú le ha second away if you are mahain like I had to like abstain on conrú an Saturn arís because so ring man gig agus sin chuime haig gig eile ar an Saturn daí agus a lein mé agus bhí me doháile and bhí mar chun an Lewis Journ agus den Lewis Mall is siúil faoil her so bhí den non Lewis like a tríalthgur margin game changer and I was like okay ma chéim go conrú tá mag equal high taxi agus be sin like fi whatever euro dú sell na wáile agus dí bhéim an na wáile go ddín you know quick hug margin síalthgur margin or higan fall an Lewis seo an níis agus be mas wáile agus ní caiime a euro agus 7 and I was like oh I can't you know what I can't ní hiagla mé anu because bheith gom bheith in grianna chat Swiss ríisigus mé sa conir rí sin just an cuacht a tag an et an armsa
Sí an Nollag
sí an Nollag
Sí Nollag ach like Hugh it's like me thomas some WhatsApp groups or version agus a bach dainte sa óháile síon tú síos agus gofuil like is síon tú síos like pí a táing in cíns go mín peanna de hún agus tú geir go amach ríist because ní tú ná like ní tú ná fach sucker a chorbe just síon tú síos and then tá textual that rá ultrapart and then tá tú mó within a blink of an eye like tá taiste sin with do haach go dtí á car balla lia dinta agam agus I think with too far ní skipuige I don't know about go Lewis steroids or things but tá tú goisteach agus it a blink of an eye brand ma phone ríis agus a tú mail slua leis a gang agus I don't know kill me third man because ma hiach mis a couch ma done they done
le go ceair imagine sínam gur fi chuig bomate atá an mar bhí an seáil a níthe gur hitútí an staire agus bhí an ad céine ó club chunir héag trach mo choil cethir agus ag trach Hugh. I suppose ní rótas a ri arach fu sin
oh no bhí se ri ach go chola nuad gon trip sin because bhí me é pean bhí
rudí eile bhí priorities eile agad
we just make sure gáil hiag coppers bhí just muúirgus bhí arms like no James tá ghlachtú na bháile
Cune's taxi just sweet you. How am I going to get out of this?
Figure this out.
The great escape.
Just layman jump.
Rock and roll.
She lá park vín sin so you know the ceadar rudí stúpa in the Tom go blian so Well éon ócadí an Nollag go techt níos agé. Tá sé fé an na láis cé tu besú le an sheachtain mór go limbo with amach roing.
Oh yeah.
Limbo.
Shouldn't Tom though. It's like Nelson came la came les came that to her Nicola. Ta ye vagabonds exchange leor an fiochtú le snarklan and I'm like hell yeah she go right action agus fast to much gal hig not breitla but like kosher in the much courage le high and Nollag gentleman running it is like to like sean go fecker my Instagram go na lads ar can gira casa lumsa to like care tam bul much was hella han Nollag so much chun had ruddy enu jack kin the lads agus an sin kosher the blianer just shin really and then back to the grind and shin what do you call it probably feck I'm a couple of gigs because couple of scanning and shocked the Ganation to Christy Moore Monica Patrick Garahima so
Ye vagabonds na me sé dul hiag an trí aína nocht le hosier eáil agus cé tá mar supporting act ach í vagabonds.
Go on the boys.
Sáfa sin ar thula me sin a carta dhé láhan sprálamid so ben gic sin ínta.
Just unreal.
An ihe Stefan agin am sa Queen's nightclub in inis mar scra leis an daine sin ec tú ó sa bhíon reintíní nachhfuil tú géirí eáil reintíní go bhfuil tá a go bhéin deirtá sé híáile. As mu smuoite gonne í complíana a grachan muid go leachtaí crothir agus go mé ihe muhi gon sa mant an í
Samant?
Me dul tríd na nightclubs a le gan na chláir ní sin na méidir tabbáirtí agam sa just coppla seis agus le fearna tá me scrista an sééis ar seafóide so bhain mé ghlacu go rééis sílam.
Famous last words.
Tá me just cí sí acla sin sinní as coppla leor a leo.
Boo.
Boo, Laura, boo.
Na big leo.
Well, in nacht tá kosher na ganse Nollag tí sé an ikke cáú sin.
Infamous more like.
Go just go gatainna tá gatainna Somála agus intíon gatainna isteach an apes agus bíon
as opposed to
basically intíon gatainna garú isteach inamsa agus bíon feral donnaiche sin so sin áháil sin agus sin in a ide taréis sin láiste fan ardú bíon buganí craic sin nach Lás mús marmsa ná an fé 8ú chun bín cumartas cumóra an seo ar garú cumartas Martin Anthony bíon gatainna híos ar an asro le cumartas seachtatíomh phodchraoladh imirt agus imrann tú go do balle so bíon gach balle ar garú ná chéile so it's kind of like tá the gimmers an leid a chud teammates itá gimmers gan chearú ach tá the gimmers le na teammates tá níos go go daach hain basically so bín sé cool really competitive agus bíon an chráicán agus sin taréis sin ich socialte ich for na cearú so tugtar amach imróí na bliana se dí sin ar fé 8ú agus sin taréis sin will be ich cin bliana an dat tá báiste ag cean gan ráid ar a garú agus tá gatainna tá chud fáte an có sin so pés gomach buganí go détéán agus depends a cecha mischievous sa táma an ghefa me an góbos sus go teach Hugh mar an gawer hús a sin agus wetin cecha notach lá sin a bhach ma tosaí sa sépel ich cin léanana ag báiste as go lentring hús agus go se séchel gomáidin lá chuile hús a teach Hugh go mar a clé.
Sure, clock a Bobby lat.
They cracky ducky.
Well,
An jingle go rash second Thig na balcha a lig gar
sa carú.
Na balle awan in carú. I mean, níl go mór sin.
Is caharí carú.
Oh, the runner.
Is mór cahar í carú.
Mór caharí is sí príomhchar chun na mara. Má actú sin sa census agus is survey an RTE. Bo í in chearú an áit is smú a látar gailge in éing le 69%.
Nice.
Alright.
Kaintrin census sin agus tá go Hugh an áir go bag inis.
Cheamagród a country 69%.
An dar chundé leis an méidir mór gailgóirí sa tír ná
Chun de chlád.
chundé an chlár.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
Jay?
So an organ here and Dini what is that chundé lár who's learn to Gaelic? I'm like, yeah. So does half the county. Ní smó na dún ngá, ní smó na
Níos bhah bug bídeach. Níos bhah bug bídeach in fairness na. That's really wee. God love yous.
Chundé lár.
Yeah. Oh no, níos bhah bug bídeach.
Take out math, honey.
Like I got Brazil and all níos bhah bug bídeach. He's really wee.
Yeah, but ní lagiach rookie numbers better gaile. Was it massive? Rookie numbers. Come on.
Suller creepy much an Eagrán shot, right? Okay. Because shot probably just our uncle not going with chance can the new har and sheer riven blianur. Cad a book function the blian the divshe anish.
Gun pod? No, go generata.
Generalta.
Getting laid.
Okay.
Good old acquaintance be forgot.
Will to go and ever hurt doing James.
Nah. For his own
Biannually. It's amazing effort, man.
By curiously.
curiously.
It's like in FM la bad the maze can is going to make a dentist man. You know? Agus ní Harlan rud cean ag dentist is a Harlan.
No, aren't you drilling, no?
It involves oral anyway.
That urgent innuendos shouldn't we, sure?
Oh my god.
Oh, get that book for you.
Go on.
Okay, face what you gotta do is my jeez, I'm just strachel so.
Sheelam gur gadú ra. Just me gur rud é gromagéirí and le blianttí na é dulga California le Killian. Agus a genuine tar spóir sin bhí sé cóspéisial de cuimhní cín a gom go jo an caiicí sin agus sort canned in the bucket lists ticked off, you know? So yeah, bhí sin need special as a dream mission California.
Fair. Jerry Misha, I'd say Eurovision. We should just like crack out to like I'd be most stressed in Tamerfod Grumma Halchin, like reheart or whatever. But being crack just oh my god, we are just mental. We should absolutely mental. We just canceling it, just like having a mad crack, whatever. What do you call it? Just in the tunes or fod, ain't that cheesy? Like we should just okay, J Moss J. I'd say sin book funse a bhígamsa. Go on, James.
I'd say bar tube cal. Who's our bar cruction?
Yes.
And seo and like hike ufasa bhíoga.
Oh yeah.
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 Like I mean good book wins of yon because
so it's in the Burks.
Vin but Schlauner she's was Burks.
Yeah. I'm telling you, the descent was way easier. Just shoot. That's
well, to be honest, my shoe she's anyways like my rapid cheese meal GSV. No bar tube can Morocco and the umland Morocco Iantoch. Agus on seachtainí cha muide le chéile who's a male first.
Bhí mé dúr go an jiglinn bug funte beg fin phodchraoladh a fiocha cumáim, mar tá irid sin genta go imléana agus sí an go leor cuimhní speisialta agan imléana leis.
Go on then, so I heard of a big funte done pod.
Sílam go cadú bell firste a rá cumáim. Sílam gro an deirteach sin cóspéisialta bhí sé có jazzbúla daoine húsan sin agus le éistóirí húsan sin agus an fáilte a formid ó radio fáilte agus an níhé madans bhí sé just is cuimhné sin atá an dearfach dúsa agus bhain urgent solta sa bheith libse agus le Pauline. As caiimid é an ríis.
Caiimid é an ríis. Be generation. Be generation. Watch this space. I'd say that pod dúsa and it's not even mudging genuine pod, but it's just mudging like Ella's narratus because it just the show going to go jazz and like Kai much Siri and like Ella. I mean, outside the was like Seachtainí international.
Oh, it taffed Tyler. The microphones are hurting.
I'm telling you, Dan Shrach.
Yeah.
Should the what do you call them? The cocktails are fad.
Seansálaithe is Sydney.
Seansálaithe in Sydney. No, please no. Name what you call.
I'm dog in Marseille. She know Bertie like James is Killian.
Like Marseille. Oh, right,
random. It's me go rugby.
Yeah.
Soccer. No. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Damage done. We'll make it happen. Right. Camera dollar rationally.
Hi James book finches again than phodchraoladh fiocha.
But first not be.
But first, yeah.
Integration the book finche generalta.
Oh well, like I don't think what if it's my count general. I don't think what count go at top on.
Oh no.
Oh, there's my Morocco and then Lane phodchraoladh first.
First, yeah.
Ha you feel na galí lom ionta mór freisin.
Yeah.
Bhí amardó. Bhí amardói.
Ach bháin
Agus-
anúair buna caiile me le hot sauce. So, yeah.
Bhí grand. So
Ach go má gachtain na freisin bheith tacaí ag gach ile
Mhm.
seo beag an mu agus bheith géisioach le lína bliana.
Yeah, idir Lalaparic, Electric Picnic, ahanra de rinnemuid, ars
Oh my golly. Oh my god. Actually,
They go leor show na bio ela a chat a fi
Yeah.
car a muidir sú leis. Go leor rudí gurhailinn fós a dhéanú agus asní gurhailinn phodchraoladh bio dhéanú an so gur mai go don takeíocht the lig.
Agus gona héisteir ar me mu cheadaplein líb chun buchas a gáil. Tá má go túús pógén be cuiib.
stad that sin. Right. Ew.
With AirPods ma.
Bhí me fánach le cíú.
Never gets old. It never gets old. Sinné dá seachtainí an chatting shop mas smaileh a bheith muid i lán man hóisiilta ó ceimh searbud an únis ceim fón Tá sé ar seanslaí ar Instagram, seanslaí ar Twitter agus seanslaí ar YouTube agus fé ar go aoní gáiltain sin ná ar Spotify is go bhí bhhain tú war go podcraoladh eile mas a géir Áine am si man hosta? Yeah, sure. I'm sure Áine. But the great Áine am the man hosta. There's more anywhere Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok. But the James am the man hosta. There's more flairteach or Instagram, flairteach or Twitter, agus flairteach or TikTok. Agus but the guy Mahan am the man hosta. There's more Hugh Carr here, Twitter, Hugh Carr here, Instagram, agus just gra Hugh Carr or TikTok.
Just mar ólas do bhuiine bé muidir ghlacu suspig bíide mar sin go tiltte agan so ní bheith agran ar bí an teachtain se thugann sé sin an fihinníú le ach bé muidirráis a ríis le agran ar an chuig lá de bhí anar sa bblianaar.
Sa bblianaar agus an cracker fad dan ná agus an sin. Ach godí sin bunig sáil ná, bunig sáil sa bblianaar agus bé muid catlih a ríis gan bhfuil dá agranúir dá na seachtainí. So
Go mé mod beohar an nám seo a ríist.